Welcome to Alphos e-learning classes. So, we are discussing about preparation of carbonyl compounds. In this session, in previous session, we have discussed about that nomenclature and isomerism of carbonyl compounds here. Now, preparation of carbonyl compounds. Preparation of carbonyl compounds. First one is oxidation of alcohols. First one is oxidation of alcohols. So oxidation of alcohols means the primary thing is mainly depends on given alcohols. Given alcohols, we can write the oxidized product here. Why the primary thing mainly depends on given alcohol? Why? Because based on the connectivity of OH group here. So, if OH group is connected with primary carbon is called what? Primary alcohol. Secondary carbon is called secondary alcohol. Tertiary carbon is called tertiary alcohols. If you do hydrolysis, if you do oxidation, primary and secondary alcohols will produce carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compound. That means in the presence of mild oxidizing agents, the primary alcohols oxidizes into aldehydes and the secondary alcohols into ketones. By using the primary alcohol, we can prepare aldehydes, secondary alcohol, we can prepare ketonic compounds. Wherever tertiary carbon is given, tertiary alcohol is given, the tertiary carbon is not carrying any type of hydrogen. So, due to that reason, we cannot prepare directly carbonyl compounds wherever tertiary alcohol is given. Tertiary alcohol in the presence of oxidizing agents, maybe it takes place elimination from the alkane. If you do further oxidation, the bond cleavage is possible in between the two carbons, then convert into carbonyl compound or carbon dioxide, or bond cleavage is possible in between the two carbons from the carboxylic acids. But based on the primary and secondary nature, we can write that products in these reactions. Now, primary alcohol is given. Primary alcohol or CH2OH or CS2OH. Mild oxidizing agent is given. Mild oxidizing agent is given. In the presence of mild oxidizing agent, the primary carbon convert into what? Aldehyde. No change in the number of carbons before and after reaction. The carbon number should be same. Only differ in the number of hydrogens. So, by the removal of two hydrogens, we will get a product. So, aldehyde is formed here. Wherever secondary alcohol is given, again mild oxidizing agent, the secondary alcohol convert into ketones. You see, which is connected with carbon? OH group. OH connected carbon has number of hydrogens 2. Here OH connected carbon has number of hydrogens 1. Wherever tertiary is given, the carbon is not carrying any type of hydrogen. Here. This is the way to explain that oxidation products. Oxidation products here. So here, for example, here CH3 is given, CH2OH is given, ethyl alcohol compound. Ethyl alcohol compound in the presence of K2Cr2O7. K2Cr2O7. Here diluted H2SO4 is given. Diluted H2SO4 cold condition is given. Cold condition. Here oxidizing agent is given. So the substrate is carrying primary nature. Due to that primary nature, it undergoes oxidation with oxidizing agent. It converts into CH3C double bond OH here. CH3C double bond OH. So it can take number of oxidizing agents, no problem here, because so many oxidizing agents are there. By using the one of the oxidizing agent, we can get product from a given alcohol here. So here K2Cr2O7, H2SO4, here diluted and cold condition is given. Pyridinium chlorochromate, pyridinium dichromate, manganese oxide MnO2, manganese oxide in the presence of acetone medium or carbon tetrachloride medium. Dimethyl sulfoxide in the presence of COCl2 triethylamine. Dimethyl sulfoxide is given in the presence of COCl2 or triethylamine. COCl2 triethylamine is given. So Fenton's reagent is given. FeSO4 H2O2. Alcohols convert into aldehydes or ketones. So ceric ammonium nitrate is given, is generally called CAN. So ceric ammonium nitrate is given. Ceric ammonium nitrate is a selective oxidizing agent that benzylic alcohol convert into aldehydes, and benzylic methyl group, aromatic CH3 group convert into aldehyde. Manganese dioxide is given. The manganese dioxide is also one of the selective oxidizing agent. Why? Only benzylic and allylic alcohols convert into carbonyl compounds. If we take pyridinium chlorochromate, nothing but chromium trioxide, CrO3, H2SO4, acetone mediums. The ratio is 1:1:1 ratio. Is generally called Jones reagent. If we change the acetone medium, CS2Cl2 is given Collins reagent, Salt reagent, like this. Wherever PDC is given or PCC is given or MnO2 is given, those reagents will not show effect on double bonds. Only it shows effect on given alcoholic group. Only that alcoholic group convert into carbonyl compounds here. Nothing but these reagents will not show effect on given double bonded compounds within the ring form or in between the two carbons. Open chain is given or ring form is given, doesn't matter. It shows effect on only OH groups. The type of oxidizing agents are generally called selective oxidizing agents here. So this is the way to write that product. Always we have to remember some specialized oxidizing agents here. For example, here CH3 is given. Here CHOH again CH3 is given. Mild oxidizing agent is given. Mild oxidizing agent is given. Given substrate is secondary one. Secondary one. The OH connected carbon has hydrogen here. This molecule undergoes oxidation with the oxidizing agent, nothing but removal of two hydrogens. So it converts into what? Here CH3, C double bond O, CS3. Ketonic compound is formed here. Ketonic compound is formed here. Acetone molecule is formed here. Propanone molecule is formed here. This is the way to write that wherever compound is given. For example, here CS is given, here CS2 is given, here CS2OH is given. What is the difference in between them? OH group. Those are generally called what? Position isomers. But position isomers having same chemical formula, but those molecules undergoes oxidation. In the presence of oxidizing agent, it produces different compounds but not same compound. Why? The OH group positions are different. Now, here oxidation is given in the presence of oxidizing agents. Given compound is primary alcohol. Given compound is primary alcohol. Here propanone compound is formed here. Propanone compound is formed here. This is a way to write that products. To write that product here. For example, here compound is given like this. Compound is given like this. Given one is double bond adjacent carbon has OH. You can say that one allylic. Cyclohexyl alcohol, nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cyclohex 2 in 1 whole compound undergoes oxidation in the presence of specialized oxidizing agent pyridinium chlorochromate in the presence of CS2Cl2. Already I told you that concept. This reagent will not disturb that double bond here. It shows only effect on OH group. It converts into water. Because given alcohol is secondary alcohol. Given alcohol is secondary alcohol. This is the way to write that product here. To write that product here, nothing but pyridine and chromium trioxide HCl 1:1, 1:1:1 ratio is given, is called what? Pyridinium chlorochromate compound. So PDC means pyridinium dichromate. If pyridinium dichromate is given, from the same product in this reaction also, no problem. So here oxidation in the presence of chromium trioxide means Cr2O7 is given. The Cr2O7 having orange colored. Whenever oxidized product is formed, nothing but after oxidation it converts into green color, which is carrying Cr3 plus. At the time we can identify easily the reaction is completed when orange colored convert into green color. So this is the way to write that products here. Suppose, for example, here compound is given, here OH group, here CS2OH is given. So the given substrate is carrying how many OH groups? 2 OH groups. What type of OH groups? Secondary OH and primary OH. Secondary OH and primary OH is given. Primary OH. So PDC is given. PDC is given. Pyridinium dichromate compound is given here. CS2Cl2. Whatever medium is given doesn't matter here. Doesn't matter. The compound undergoes oxidation. Secondary alcoholic undergoes oxidation. It produces ketone. Primary compound undergoes oxidation. It produces aldehyde group here, aldehyde group. So this is a way to write that product, wherever allylic compound is given, CS2 double bond, CS2 double bond, here CS2OH is given, is called what? Allylic alcohol. If you take selective oxidizing agent, manganese dioxide, selective oxidizing agent, manganese dioxide, in the presence of carbon tetrachloride medium or acetone medium, if you take one of them, no problem, we will get product. So here no change in the double bond position, only alcoholic group convert into aldehyde, only alcoholic group convert into aldehyde here. So this is the way to write that products, to write that product here, products. Now next one is same oxidation, catalytic dehydration, catalytic dehydrogenation, one type of oxidation reaction, nothing but removal of hydrogens. Catalytic dehydrogenation. So catalytic dehydrogenation means when vapors of primary and secondary alcohols are mixed with air and passed over reduced copper or silver in the presence of temperature, form the products here. Nothing but primary alcohols or secondary alcohol is given, doesn't matter, in the presence of copper or silver, nothing but primary secondary alcohol reacts with copper or silver in the presence of temperature, form the carbonyl compounds. Wherever primary is given, it convert into aldehyde, wherever secondary is given, it convert into ketone here. For example, here are CH2OH is given, copper or silver, 300 degrees centigrade temperature, 300 degrees centigrade temperature or 573 Kelvin temperature, doesn't matter, Kelvin is given or degree centigrade is given, doesn't matter here. So what will happen here? The primary compound convert into what? RC double bond OH here, RC double bond OH. For example, here ethyl alcohol is given, here copper 300 degrees centigrade temperature is given, removal of two hydrogens, new bond is formed in between the carbon and oxygen. Now CH3 C double bond OH, acetaldehyde is formed here, acetaldehyde is formed here. This is the way to write that product wherever primary alcohol is given. Now if you take secondary alcohol here, RCHOH, copper 300 degrees centigrade temperature is given, removal of hydrogens, it convert into ketone, here. For example, 2-propanol compound is given, 2-propanol compound, here copper 300 degrees centigrade temperature is given, copper 300 degrees centigrade temperature is given, removal of two hydrogens, it convert into what? Ketone here. Here C double bond O CS3, acetone is formed here. This type of reactions are generally called what? Dehydrogenation reactions, nothing but a removal of hydrogens step is generally called what? Oxidation reactions here. So this is the way to write the products. Wherever tertiary is given, no reaction. Reason? the tertiary carbon is not carrying hydrogen, this type of hydrogens. Primary is given 2 hydrogens, secondary is given 1 hydrogen is there. Wherever tertiary is given, the tertiary alcoholic carbon is not carrying any type of hydrogen, here. So wherever copper or catalytic dehydrogenation is given, we can write the product like this. Now, oxidation of alkyl benzenes. Oxidation of alkyl benzenes. Oxidation of alkyl benzenes means the benzene is having alkyl group is generally called what? Alkyl benzenes. Only alkyl group undergoes oxidation in the presence of oxidizing agent, finally form the product. Here. So, alkyl benzene compounds, if you take a toluene compound, if you take ethyl benzene compound, this type of compounds are generally called what? Oxidation of alkyl benzene compounds. Here toluene compound is given. Methyl benzene is generally called what? Toluene compound. Methyl benzene. The methyl benzene compound undergoes oxidation in the presence of chromium trioxide and acetic anhydride medium. Chromium trioxide and acetic anhydride is given. So, here 2 hydrogens are replaced by acyl group. Here. That means if the compound is carrying at least 2 hydrogens, benzylic hydrogen, then only oxidation is possible, finally form the product. Each hydrogen is replaced by acyl group here. If you do further hydrolysis, the OH groups are converted into OH according to organic chemistry. Whatever organic molecule is given without chelation, the single carbon is carrying 2 OH groups or 3 OH groups are unstable. Easily undergoes dehydration, it converts into product. Here. So now final product is C double bond H. Because it converts into OH, removal of water will get what? Aldehyde, benzaldehyde. Finally form the benzaldehyde compound. Supposed to be, if you take ethyl benzene, ethyl benzene means how many hydrogens? 2 hydrogens. Again same here. What will happen? Each hydrogen is replaced by here acyl group here. No change in the methyl group. Further hydrolysis is given. Here acyl group converted into OH. So 2 OH groups are present or carbon means easily undergoes dehydration, it produces compound. Phenyl methyl ketone or acetophenone compound. This is a way to write that products wherever chromium trioxide, acetic anhydride is given. Here toluene compound is given. Toluene compound is given. The toluene compound undergoes oxidation in the presence of CrO2Cl2. Further hydrolysis is given. Only CH3 group undergoes oxidation. It produces aldehyde, benzaldehyde. The type of reaction is generally called Itard's reaction. Itard reaction here. Chromyl chloride reaction is called what? Itard reaction. Itard reaction. So here compound is given like this. Here CS2 is given. Here CS3 is given. CS3 is given. Again chromyl chloride followed by hydrolysis. It produces here CH2 and C double bond H. Which one undergoes oxidation? Only CH3 group undergoes oxidation. That is the specialty of this reaction. This reaction here. So wherever alkyl benzene is given, we can write the product this by using this type of reactions or reagents. Nothing but oxidation reactions. If we take benzyl alcohol also no problem. Benzyl alcohol. Those are alkyl benzenes. If we take benzyl alcohol means what? CH2OH. CH2OH. The benzyl alcohol compound undergoes oxidation in the presence of manganese dioxide. Manganese dioxide. If you take mediums, carbon tetrachloride or acetone medium doesn't matter here. Carbon tetrachloride or acetone medium doesn't matter. Only the compound undergoes oxidation, it produces aldehydes. So manganese dioxide is a selective oxidizing agent. Already we have discussed that concept. So alkoxy, nothing but hydroxy alkyl compound undergoes oxidation, it produces aldehydes. Benzaldehyde compound here. Benzaldehyde compound. For example here, secondary alcohol is given. Secondary alcohol is given. Here a oxidizing agent is given. Phenyl methyl ketone is formed here. Phenyl methyl ketone is formed. Why? Because this one also connectivity with double bonded carbon. One type of allylic, nothing but one type of benzylic. So this is the way to write that product wherever oxidation reagent is given, oxidizing agent is given. So thank you. We will continue preparation of carbonyl compounds in next session.